The Latin American developer community is making a clear choice. Established blockchain platforms like Ethereum and Polygon are their preferred playgrounds, rather than venturing into creating entirely new blockchain protocols. But here's where it gets controversial. Does this focus on well-known ecosystems limit innovation in the region, or does it strategically position Latin America as a key player within proven networks? According to an insightful report from the consultancy firm Sherlock Communications, this emerging trend mirrors the values and priorities of Latin American blockchain developers. The study gathered detailed qualitative feedback from 85 developers across Bolivia, Mexico, Brazil, and Peru. It revealed that these builders place great importance on transparency, smooth coordination, and regulatory compliance. They gravitate towards user-friendly tools, comprehensive documentation, and platforms with a demonstrated history of success. This explains why Ethereum and Polygon are widely favored. They offer the reliability and maturity these developers seek. Luis Eduardo Abreu Haddad, a blockchain consultant and researcher with Sherlock Communications, highlighted to Cointelegraph the distinctive qualities of Latin American developers. He emphasized their strong technical maturity and their dedication to addressing tangible, real-world problems rather than purely theoretical or speculative projects. Latin America hosts a burgeoning and highly skilled blockchain developer community, Haddad explained. Yet, he noted that while these developers are fully capable of creating new blockchain infrastructures, the current environment encourages them to develop and promote applications within already established ecosystems. Backing this up, the report's analysis of blockchain transaction data from wallets in Latin America paints a clear picture. Examining nearly 700,000 transactions from June 2024 to June 2025, over 75% of these transactions were on the Ethereum network. Polygon came in second, capturing around 11% of the activity, and showed notable growth, almost doubling its share to 20% by June 2025. This data underlines the dominance of these two platforms in Latin America's blockchain space. But the story doesn't end with just adopting existing platforms. Haddad pointed out several homegrown initiatives that have the potential to scale globally. Projects focused on tokenization and national blockchain infrastructures, such as Brazil's Nuclea Chain and RBB, demonstrate the region's capacity not only to build on top of existing systems, but to innovate and develop new ecosystems that could influence worldwide blockchain development. Looking ahead, Haddad shared his perspective on the aspirations of the next generation of Latin American developers, students, hackathon participants, and early-stage innovators who are gearing up to make their mark. These newcomers are particularly interested in decentralized applications, DApps, and the tokenization of real-world assets, RWAs. They envision DApps transforming sectors like social media and the creator economy, making interactions more decentralized and trustworthy. Additionally, areas like supply chain transparency, decentralized physical infrastructure networks, DePIN, and RWAs are gaining their attention. What drives these young developers is a desire for ecosystems that are stable, easy to use, and economically sustainable. Their focus is firmly set on solving practical challenges related to trust, transparency, and usability in blockchain technology. So here's a question to ponder. Is Latin America's current preference for Ethereum and Polygon a sign of cautious pragmatism that will pave the way for massive adoption, or does it reflect a missed opportunity to lead groundbreaking innovations with new blockchain architectures? Where do you stand on this? Would you encourage developers in the region to build on tried and true platforms, or to break new ground with fresh protocols? Share your thoughts and engage in the debate below.